also has a very large Kurdish population. Some of them
You said Kurdish?
Kurdish, yes.
The Kurdish people. We should be using the Kurdish. We should be arming the Kurdish. They've proven to be the best fighters. They've really proven to be the most loyal to us. And as far as I'm concerned, I didn't know that Nashville had a large Kurdish population. But I will tell you that we should be using and utilizing those people. They have great heart. They're great fighters. And we should be working with them much more so than we're working.
The Kurds are a different story. The Kurds are good fighters. I would go one step further. I would arm the Kurds, and I would also offer them a homeland. If you will fight, and if you will fight to keep people out and to push out these marauders, I'd give you a homeland.
But then why is...
We should provide more support to the Kurds, giving them decisive military power against ISIS. In Iraq's Kurdish region, we have loyal friends and brave and skilled fighters. If I'm Commander-in-Chief, the United States will make certain that the Kurds have everything they need to win.
Have a tremendous asset on the ground right now, which is the Kurds. The Peshmerga have been strong allies of the U.S. They are effective fighters, and they desperately need weaponry and assistance. And for whatever reason, the Obama administration, number one, has been delaying aiding the Peshmerga, has been running it all through Baghdad instead of aiding them directly, has been blocking them from selling oil, which doesn't make sense either. And at the same time, the Obama administration keeps focusing on Syrian rebels, many of whom have far too close ties to radical Islamic terrorists for it to make any sense for us to be supporting them. The Kurds are allies, and they are boots on the ground. And when we work with them in concert, they're ready to fight on the front line along with serious air power. That's what we ought to be doing. And if it were a military objective to take ISIS out, I think that's what we would be doing.
We could arm the Kurds. They've been asking us for 3 years. All of this is within our control.
Thank you, Ms. Fiorina. While you brought up the subject of General Soleimani of the Quds forces from Iran, the next president...
I would be arming the Kurds directly.
They've been begging for months.
Absolutely. I mean, why are we just like sitting back and only reacting when somebody does something? You can't do that in the kind of world that we live in.